Hola a todos. All right, so here's your instructions for today's material. All right, first things first. I'm actually going to make a little text box here for you. All right, so this is where you'll put your answers, or rather your questions. So you're going to write a question in the to form using either saber or conocer for each of the little phrases below. So you need to figure out, based on the phrase, whether you're going to use saber or conocer. Well, let's look at the first one together. It's la hermana de. Well, we know the word hermana means sister. That's a person. And so we have to use conocer, right? So, conoces. I'm using all in the to form, whether it's saber or conocer. Conoces a la hermana de, and then we make up a name. I don't know, Roberto. All right, do you know Roberto's sister? And the second one, it says bajar información de la red. Now that means download information from the web, but you don't actually need to know what it means. You can just see that it's bajar, it's an action. And so it's how to do something, so we should use saber. ¿Sabes? Bajar información de la red. Okay. And so for the next six, you're going to do the same thing. Decide whether to use saber or conocer and write out your question. In the next, what you're going to be doing here is finding a partner and then having a little dialogue based on the model here. So first things first, you'll ask the question that you just created on the previous slide. An example here is, ¿Conoces a la persona que trabaja en la biblioteca de la escuela? And the response, sí, la conozco. Ella es la señora Wilton. Es muy simpática. Or, no, no la conozco. I don't know her. All right? So either I know her or I don't know her. Okay? So the answer should be in the yo form. Okay? Here is an example with saber. ¿Sabes bailar salsa? Sí, sé bailar salsa, me encanta. Or no, no sé bailar salsa. All right, so again, either you know how to dance salsa or you don't know how to dance salsa, but your partner will either answer in the affirmative or the negative to your question. All right, in the last bit, you've got a little one of our books to read today. There it is. Let's see. There we go. Hopefully, this is showing up on your video, but if not, you'll be able to access it through the link just fine. The questions about this book are of two types. We have questions in English, the first five questions, and then the last question is in Spanish. Okay? The questions in English, you answer in English. The question in Spanish, you answer in Spanish. Of course, the whole book itself is in Spanish. All right. Well, as I mentioned yesterday, if you have any questions, just send me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right. Be well, and I hope to see you all on Monday. Adios.